In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the font size in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and open the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the page that contains the text you want to modify. Click on the text element to begin editing it. Highlight the specific text whose font size you want to change. A formatting toolbar will appear above the selected text. Use the increase font size and decrease font size options in the toolbar to adjust the text until it looks the way you want. You can also choose a heading style if you want larger, more prominent text for titles and section headings. If you want to change the default font sizes across your entire website, click Theme from the top menu, then select Change Fonts. From there, choose the text category you want to edit and adjust its size to update the styling site-wide. When you're happy with the changes, save your work and publish your website so the updated font sizes are visible to your visitors. That's how to change the font size in Weebly. Thanks for watching.